Okay, so it's true. You can catch a mess of catfish with some jug lines. In this case, I made some self-setting jug lines. It's just basically a PVC, some styrofoam or pool noodles, and then some nylon line with weights and a hook. And yours truly was able to catch a few catfish that made a tasty dinner. Do give it a try and check out some of this action using these jug lines. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little shake shake. All right, keep her. See, like I was saying, we may need to deploy these a little bit further out. Oh man, I think he got him. No, no, he's still there. He's still there. I feel him. Oh yeah, a little shaky shake. Fish fry time. Nice. All right, number 2 for the day. Let's see what we got. Okay, I feel him. I feel him. All right, I feel him. He's still on. All right, another keeper. Another cheaper to keeper. Okay, all right. All right, we'll get some eater size. All right, see, it's moving really slowly. I'm hoping he's still there. We'll see. Okay. Oh yeah, he's still there. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Keeper to keeper. Let's bring this baby in. Looks like we're getting some fog coming in and some misting too, so we'll just play it by ear. But oh yeah, this one's a keeper. All right, let's just get you situated here. Okay. All right. Number 4 for the day, biggest one so far. Cool beans. I don't feel anything. Oh yeah, there he is. He's just drifting away, taking his time. Kind of tangled a little bit, but he's a keeper. Right there. All right, nice. And let's just check it out. See if there's somebody there. Somebody a knocking. Oh yeah, somebody a knocking. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a catfish. Blue cat, bigger size. Nice. All right. This guy out. He moved a good, I'd say maybe 100 feet now. Not really taking it under. So let's see what happens. Okay. Don't feel anything. Feel any pressure? I feel something now. Oh yeah. He's a cheaper to keeper one. Okay, all right. Yeah, much easier having these gloves on. All right, cool. Okay, so overall, it was a fun time catching some catfish jug lining. Cool beans.